Hello lovelies, so I'm back again with yet another mini haul. I am on a mini haul roll. Anyway, this one was for National Lipstick Day, which was Sunday. I don't know if you know about it, but it's a holiday created by MAC Cosmetics, and what they do every year on that day is they give every customer a free full-size lipstick, color of their choice. You get to choose from about 9 or 10 shades, and I think she told me these are new shades. They're going to be coming out later on this year, but anyway, they had everything from pinks to reds to purples, matte, shimmer, you know, MAC stuff. So I am always on the quest for the perfect red lipstick, so I said, let's go down there. So I took my daughter, and we got down there about 10:30, and the doors opened at 11. And evidently, a lot of people don't know about this because the line wasn't too long. We were about maybe 50 in line. So yeah, we ended up waiting like maybe 35-40 minutes. Totally worth it. And so yeah, I chose the red. The shade's called Dare Me, and it's a red cream, and my daughter chose, I think it's called Chintz. It's like a really light sheer bronzy shade. So anyway, I'm actually wearing the Dare Me now. What do you think? And I'm going to take this off and show you what the Chintz looks like, and then we got a couple of other goodies I want to show you that we got. So, okay, let me go take this off. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with my naked lips, and the next shade we got, it's a frost. It's called Chintz. When my daughter got this, she's quite tall for her age, so she was able to get the lipstick, but I don't really let her wear makeup out at all. She just, you know, likes to play with it at home and experiment, so technically it's mine. So yay, I got 2 lipsticks. But anyway, this is how that looks. And let's see how it looks on me. Let's see. Brand new lip liner. Just cheap from Sally's. Okay. Alright, I need my mirror because this is reversing everything. And I'm left-handed, which is bad enough, so this really messes me up. There we go, that's better. And I'm gonna go in a little bit like that. So I kind of have that ombre dark liner like lipstick look. Alright, and then let's try this. I don't even think she used it. Very sheer, kind of coppery, natural look. Put a little more liner here. Very nice light sheer, so that is Chintz. I like it. Alrighty, so let's see, what else did we do? Oh, so pretty much every beauty store was doing something for lipstick day. Most of them are like, you know, buy something, get something free, or discounted prices. So we went in SEPHORA. They were giving away free sheet masks. You could choose from 2 types. pearl and rose, and this is the pearl one, which my daughter opened already. And it is supposed to, it's enriched with natural white pearl, evens out skin tone, helps minimize irregularities, stimulates skin for high luminosity for skin that is even, fresher, and brighter. So she used that. I guess she thought she was going to use it again. So, and then this one I got SEPHORA Rose face mask. This one, enriched with rose extract of natural origin. This mask moisturizes the skin instantly and durably, gives an immediate glow effect for skin that is revitalized and more luminous. That sounds good for a middle-aged lady like me. So I don't know when I'm going to try this. Probably on my next Pamper Day. So yeah, they were giving these away for free, kind of on the down low. And let's see, you know, it's really hard to go into any of these stores without buying something else, even though you got free stuff. So where did we get these? Oh, we went to ULTA, and they have NYX, which I like. So I got, they had a special for the lipstick day, 3 for $12. So we saw these really cool, called Cosmic. This one's Cosmic Metallic. This one's Duo Chromatic, and they have a really cool shimmery. This one's like iridescent, kind of pearl silver, and this one's beautiful gold. So let's see. Let me try these out. All right, I'm gonna clean this off. I'll be right back again. Okay, so I think I'm going to try this gold first. It is called Cocktail Party. I love the name. It's so beautiful. I'm not going to put any liner on anything. Just cut to the chase. It's actually kind of coppery. Actually looks rose gold. Interesting, because in the tube it looks gold. Oh, I see, it's kind of two-toned. It's like gold and rose gold. Very pretty. Okay, so there's that. Again, another pretty natural look. Similar to the chintz, but it's like more pinky gold. Alrighty. Oh. Actually, I should put some powder all over my face. Looks like I'm getting a bit shiny. Okay. So now, let's see. Let's try this blue iridescent one. This is called Day Club, or en français, Club de Jour. How do you think this is going to look? It has a blue tinge, but I have a feeling it's going to come out on my lips different. Let's see. So yeah, it's more like a pearl silver iridescence. Interesting. I'd probably just use that as a highlighter, like in the middle. Or maybe if I was doing some kind of retro 60s look, but this shade is definitely too light for me, I think. My daughter picked this out though, so she can play with that. Alright, on to the next one. It is pretty though, just not quite right for my skin tone. Alright, this one Ooh, with bright, bright pink. This is called, it's just, is that CMLCO2? Really? I thought that surely they'd give it some cool name. Oh, here. Okay, it's called Fusion Fuchsia. That's more like it. Neptune, what are you doing? My cat is sitting behind the computer because I'm in front of the window, and this is his new favorite spot. Anyway, okay, let's see. Actually, I think I'm going to do some liner with this one. So I got this matching liner. Again, that's from Sally's. Ooh, this is really light, actually. Yeah. So pretty. I love hot pink, in case you didn't know. I like it. Yeah, it's a little, I mean, it's metallic, but I don't know, it's pink. I like it. Alrighty, so let's see, anything else? Oh, I did get one more NYX. I'm not going to put that on now because I'm sure you've seen it before. But I ran out of butter gloss in tiramisu, and I wear this like all the time, so I had to get another one of those. And that is all. So if you missed out on this year, get on the MAC mailing list, and I'm sure they will alert you of it when it's coming up. Or if you read some beauty blogs, some of them usually mention it. And yeah, I think it's a great holiday, and yeah, don't miss out on this. Alright, that's it for now, guys. See you next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.